Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, and I'm right in front of this GE Profile washer. This is model PTW605BSRWS. And as you'll notice, this is going to have a glass lid. This is in my opinion, one of the best top-load washers GE has produced. And what I really like about this machine, it's going to have, right off the bat, you're going to see it's going to have their microband technology, which this is a anti-microbial or a coating on it, which will prevent mildew from being absorbed into this plastic. And that's really a big deal. They've got that on their front load washer as well. The other thing you'll notice is that it is a very, very large capacity. Now, if you're vertically challenged, you're going to want to watch. You're going to want to make sure that you can get to the bottom of this machine, but there is a ton of capacity in this machine. The other thing you'll notice is that there's little bubbles here on the side of the stainless steel drum. And what that's designed to do is it's designed to keep your clothes just ever so slightly off of the stainless steel tank. So it's designed to protect your clothes. The other thing is, this agitator is what they're going to call their tangle control type agitator. So there will be a tangle control that this machine will utilize to try and prevent the tangling of larger items like sheets or linens, other types of linens, or bedding, larger comforters. As I close the lid on this, what you'll notice is it's pretty easy to use. There's a lot going on, but it's actually really easy to use. When you turn on the machine, you're going to be able to just select the type of clothing, and then everything will be pre-selected for you. Now, one thing that I want to point out is that it's deep fill. That deep fill option eliminates the issue that a lot of people have with Energy Star top-load washers that use less water. So those water-saving washers that a lot of people don't like, and you may have had one prior, you can do a deep fill on this machine. The other thing you can do is an auto soak. So a lot of our new E-Star machines don't have the capability to allow us to do a soak, but this has that feature as well. If you have any questions about this GE machine or any others, be sure to go to donsappliances.com or comment below. We'd love to hear from you.